Introduction to the seam welder. A seam welder is intended for making a can by putting a lid on a case in which an electronic component is placed. This case is made of metal or ceramic, and it is normally called a package. And a lid is made of metal. The purpose of putting a lid is the same as that for canned food. It is intended to shut off the outside air from the component inside the package for stable operation for a long period of time. This is called hermetic sealing. The type of components placed inside the package includes crystal devices, MEMS, sensors, and optical devices. What kind of welding is seam sealing? Same as the case of resistance welding, seam sealing also welds the package and the lid using pressure force and electric. First, a lid is placed on a package and a pair of roller electrodes is applied on the rim of a lid. Electric current is applied through the package and the lid via these roller electrodes. The contact section of the roller electrode and the lid generates heat because of high resistance. Welding is accomplished using this heat. In seam sealing, electric current is applied while the roller electrode rolls along the rim of a lid. As the electric current is applied, an area is welded. When such welding is performed continuously for the entire circumference of a lid without a gap, the package will have been hermetically sealed. The name seam sealing comes from the fact that the welded section resembles the seam in sewing. If there is a gap in a seam that causes a leak, it is a defect. Therefore, after the seam sealing, all packages are put through a leak inspection. Let us explain the process of seam sealing. Seam sealing consists of 4 processes. The first process is cleaning inside the package by heating and vacuum. The second process is to tack weld a lid on a package. The third and fourth processes are to weld Y sides and X sides of a package, which completes the entire process. In the first vacuum heating process, packages are placed in a box called the vacuum oven chamber. Prior to sealing the package, inside the package is cleaned by vacuum and heat for better operating environment for the devices inside after sealing. Heating and vacuum helps evaporation, and any moisture, oxygen, or solvent existing inside the package will be removed. In the second track welding process, one spot on the lid and the package is welded in advance so that the lid will not move while the roller electrode rolls along the rim of a lid. In the third and fourth seam sealing processes, Y sides are welded first. Next, X sides are welded. When all circumferences are welded, the process is completed. There are 2 ways of doing seam sealing. One is N2 environment and the other in vacuum. Both N2 or vacuum will be the environment inside the package after sealing, which helps maintain a favorable operating environment for the devices inside. Recently, vacuum is used more due to its advantage for smaller size and higher performance of devices. Let us introduce you to our seam welder product lineup. We have full automatic machine and semi-automatic machine. Vacuum type and N2 type are available for both machines. Full automatic machine provides high productivity, and we have the #1 market share in the world. Semi-automatic machine is versatile for various applications, and it is a long-selling item. This completes the introduction to the seam welder.